Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be showing you how to install Windows 10 in a virtual machine using Virtualbox. So, let's get started. All you need are two things: a Windows 10 ISO file, which you can download from the Microsoft website, and Virtualbox, which is a program that lets you run virtual machines on your computer. First, we need to download Virtualbox. First, open your favorite browser. Once it is opened, then click on the search bar. Then search for Virtualbox. Then click on the first official link. Then click on Download Virtualbox 7.0 and then click on the Windows hosts if you're on Windows, or OS X hosts if you're on a Mac. I am on Windows, so I will click on the first one. Then it will start downloading. You can see the progress on the top right corner download button. I have already downloaded it, so I will not download it. Once it is downloaded, open it on the File Explorer. Then open the setup. Once its setup is opened, click on Next. Then select the location of the file. You can do this by clicking on this Browse button. After this, click on Next. Then click on Yes. Then click on Install. After this, the app will start downloading. I have already downloaded it, so I am not downloading it. Next, we need to download the Windows 10 ISO file. Open your favorite browser. Then click on the search bar. Then search Download Windows 10. Then hit Enter. Then click on the first official link. Once it is opened, you'll see two buttons, Update Now and Download Now. Click on Download Now. Then it will start downloading. Once downloaded, click on it to open it. And then click Yes to allow it to make changes. This will start getting things ready. Then click on Accept. It will start getting some things ready. We don't have to upgrade this PC. We have to install Windows 10 on Virtualbox. So, choose Create Installation Media, USB flash drive, DVD, or ISO file, for another PC. And then click Next. And then click on Next again. Then we have to select ISO file. Then click on Next. Choose where you want to save the ISO file. I'll save it in my local disk D folder. Click Save and then Next to start the download. I've already downloaded the ISO, so we'll move straight to setting up Virtualbox. Then open your Virtualbox. Once it is opened, then click on New to create a new virtual machine. Name it Windows 10. And after this, then select where you want to save the Windows. Then set the type to Microsoft Windows. And then choose the version to Windows 10, 64-bit. Click Next. Then we have to select how much memory you have to use. I'll allocate 10 GB of RAM. Click on Next. And then choose Create a virtual hard disk now, then click on Create, then select how much gigabytes of disk space you want to use. I am allocating it to 20 GB. Then click on Next. Then click on Finish. Now, select the new virtual machine. And then click on Settings. Under System, click on System section. You can adjust the memory if needed. Then in the Processor tab, I'll allocate 3 processors. It depends on how much processors your PC have. You can select more if you want. Then go to Display section. Under Display, ensure the video memory is set to 128 megabytes. Finally, go to Storage section. Click the empty disk icon and choose the Windows 10 ISO file we downloaded. Navigate to your folder where you stored the file. Select the ISO file and click OK. Leave other things to normal. Now, click Start to start the virtual machine and to begin the installation process. Then it will start the Windows installation. We will wait until it is installed. Once it is installed, select your language. Then select time and currency format. Then select the keyboard and input method. Then click Next. Then click on Install Now. Then it will say that setup is starting. This will take 2 to 5 minutes. Be patient. Then click on I don't have product key. Then choose which version of Windows you want. I am choosing the Windows 10 Pro version. Then click on Next. Then accept the license terms. Then click on Next. And then select the custom, Install Windows Only. Then select the virtual hard drive we created and click Next. Then the installation will start, and this might take a while. After installation process is completed, it may take a while to load. Once it is installed, you'll need to go through the initial setup. Then choose your keyboard layout. Then click on Yes. Then click on Skip. And then choose Setup for personal use. Then click on Next. You can skip adding a Microsoft account by choosing Offline Account. And then click on Limited Experience. Then create a username for your Windows. Then click on Next. And then add a password. Then you have to confirm your password by writing it again. After writing it, click on Next. And answer the security questions like pet name, etc. You have to give answer of 3 questions. After giving all the answers, click on Next. Now wait a little. Then click on Accept. Now you have to wait a little more. This is a game. Patience. Stay with me. After this window will welcome you with a hi. Now you have to wait for 2 to 5 minutes. Trust me, this is a final step. And boom! Your window is opened. And it is ready to go. And there you have it. Windows 10 is now installed and running in Virtualbox on my computer. It works just like any other Windows 10 machine. As you can see that. It's another window. You can see that I have 2 computer windows open in my laptop. As you can see that. It's fully functioning and the apps are opening too. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. See you in the next video. Peace.